Our final question on this old exam asks, of a series of electrophiles, which ones would be good for alkylation? And when we mean alkylation, we're talking about the reaction where we take a carbonyl compound, we remove the alpha hydrogen, and then add an alkyl group. Now, this is a question that in many ways we could have asked on the first exam in Organic 2. Why? Well, when you think about what's going on in that alkylation step, it's really just an SN2 reaction. So, if I had asked this question and said, which of the following are good electrophiles for SN2 reactions? These would be the same question, because the alkylation step in an alpha substitution reaction is an SN2 reaction. So if we look at our compounds, our first one, tert-butyl bromide, it's a tertiary leaving group, and we know that tertiary leaving groups are bad for SN2. Part B, we have a primary leaving group, and we have a good leaving group. And so that makes a good reaction for SN2 and therefore a good electrophile for alkylation. Part C, we have an OH. We know that in general OH is a bad leaving group, and so this one will not work well. Part D, good leaving group. Primary leaving group, very good for alkylation, good for SN2. Same thing with E, again, good leaving group. Primary leaving group will work well. And finally in part F, fluorine, even though it's a halogen, is a bad leaving group, and so it would be a poor choice here.